Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas. Today is day 1, December 1st.
On the first day of Christmas,
My true love gave to me.
Beautiful items from Quilts Plus.
all right, everyone, I'm going to explain what we're featuring today. This is a wool mat by Gypsy Quilter, but it's a wool mat in a carrying case. This is a lovely felted wool case that it comes in. When you open it up, you have your wool pressing mat. You have your heat-resistant cool pins. You've seen these from us before. And you have this little pop-up thread basket so that you can put your threads and snippets and things like that in. And we also are featuring the Steam Fast iron. Now this is a great iron. It has a lot of steam vents in it. It has got a really long cord, taking me forever to unwind it to show it to you. A really long cord. It has an adjustable thermostat, and it has a little button that you press if you want steam and press it down if you don't. It does not shut off, which is a really nice feature. Most irons shut off nowadays.
Well, and it's perfect for, I have one of these at my home, and it's so nice to be able to travel with too. So this little wool pressing mat kit is perfect to travel to retreats with. And one other thing that was neat in these is they have there's a little pockets in here, so you can put different items in here, and you can pop this little guy in here with all your goodies, put this back together, if I can get it in there. And you can also put your rotary cutter in here as well, and just even your rotating mat for cutting with. So, and then you can just zip it up and go. It's a wonderful, wonderful item. So
This is a 13-inch mat, so you could probably put your 12-inch rotating mat in there.
yeah,
That's
it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And I know it normally is $60, and now we're doing the special for the day is $51. And that again is for this. That the iron is a separate price,
Yep.
and that is normally
30.
It's normally $30, and today it's going to be $21.
okay.
So just a $21.50, I believe. So we'll get that exact price online for you. We have a new little thing that we're doing that you're able to actually click right to our website to be able to order these online, and you can pick them up in store on December 14 if you choose to do that. Or there may be some shipping options as well that we have for you, and you can call us at the store at 269-383-1790, and we can kind of work through that with you. But you can do that, but you can also call the store, leave your credit card information with us, and so then you can just accumulate items as you go for the next 12 days of Christmas. So today's the day to grab these products. We know they will sell out quite quickly, so give us a call. Like we said, we're going to be here 10 to 5, Monday through Friday, and then Saturday 10 to 3.
Now, I want to point out that these are limited in quantity.
Yes.
We have got, I want to say 20 in the store.
Yes.
And when they're gone, they're gone.
Yes.
And we cannot get those again
No.
packaged like this.
That is correct. We can't.
So
One more thing. On Friday and Saturday, we have a Christmas Customer Appreciation Open House. And you should have gotten your invitation yesterday or the day before, and we want you to come. We want you to come see us. We have giveaways, raffles, we have refreshments, we have mystery boxes. You haven't seen those since April. So you're going to need to come in on Friday. We're here 10 to 5, Saturday 10 to 3. And the mystery boxes are not pre-order. You have to come in store. That's how you can get those. So we look forward to seeing you. Anything else?
Just remember, the mystery boxes are limited in number 2.
They
when
are.
they are gone, they are gone.
we're working as fast as we
We
can.
are.
The little
Yeah.
elves are upstairs just chugging away.
Yes. That would be me.
We
Anyway,
all have on our elf ears today.
Yes, I hope you've noticed. I hope
so
you've noticed.
come join us. Welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas.
Today,
We're-
number 1.
Today is day number 1, December 1st.